Hi everyone, I'm August Maier with the Maier Group powered by Keller Williams Select. Today I'm in Matthews, North Carolina. We're at Tennyson Homes, and what we're going to do, we're going to tour this model home, and we're also going to speak to the new homes consultant that's on duty today. His name is Daryl, and he's going to talk to us about some of the special features that this community has to offer. So I hope you enjoyed the first model home. I'm here today with my partner, new home consultant here at Tennyson Communities, Daryl Mullins. He's going to give us some information on the community and what Right Time Home has to offer.
Hi, I'm Daryl. We are standing in the Frost. This is a 3,200 square foot home, 5 bedrooms, owner suite on the first floor. All of our homes have a 10-foot ceiling on the first floor, and we have 8-foot interior doors. Those are extra tall. On the second floor, we have 9-foot ceilings. Our philosophy is that we don't cut corners. High quality is our motto. We have 5 different floor plans in this community, and we have 73 home sites in Tennyson.
So Daryl, let's say I have a buyer. What does my buyer have to do to get under contract here at Tennyson Communities?
Earnest money deposit of $10,000 flat, no other money's due, and there's no due diligence deposit.
Okay, great, that's awesome. And Daryl, what's your build time?
Everything is a spec build here, so that means that our build time is around 3 months. So we only release lots that are going to be closing within the next 3 months. So everything is pretty much started, and then as long as there's not any kind of constraints for the weather, it's about 3 months.
Okay, that's pretty good. So as far as the features for the home, does the buyer have an opportunity to go to the design center? Can they pick their own features, or does the features already come pre-packaged?
Well, that's a good question. They do come pre-packaged. So with this builder, we don't have any upgrades. You can't even buy an upgrade. Everything's already included. And we have 2 different interior packages. And one's called the industrial and one's called the urban. And we have some samples of what those are.
So Daryl, I want to thank you for taking the time today to talk to us about Tennyson subdivision. And if you or anyone you know are interested in moving into the Matthews, North Carolina area, please give me a call and I can connect you directly to Daryl Mullins.